Okay, here we have a go at I think it's a deadlock. It's a setting a curtain locks 5 lever wickes make with a new DBC 3-in-1 pick. Thank you. Right. Key in, key out. Let's hang them down there. Insert it in. Turn it around. Just check for depth. It should do me. I'll try not to cover the keyway too much. Right, we're in. Just a bit of tension on and start playing with this levers. Some of them up. Deadlock them, pushed it too far. Try again.
I think that no matter what Damon promises, a lot of people will die.
Hopefully I'll get no false sets, but I wouldn't hold my breath either. Plenty of room to manoeuvre about. Nicely finished, nicely engineered. Oh, another dead set. Like I say, I've only had it a short period of time and I'm still getting used to it. Working it.
Yeah, what do you know about it? I just did a history report on it.
Plenty of room to manoeuvre anyway. There's one at the back I'm left with to do. I don't know how clear it is with this recorder. There you go. We're in. It's locked. I'll get this unpicked because that's it. You can see the locks in, key back in and out. Thank you.
Excuse me, Father. I didn't know.